If you have children or grandkids 8 years on up, or you're trying to teach your children at home, or just want to expand their horizons, don't forget art. Art is one of the best things to introduce them to observation of nature, patience and persistence, creative problem solving, hand-eye coordination. Want your child to learn to solve problems? Learn how to analyze? Art can teach you that. Learn how to create something from nothing? Art can teach you that. Learn how to concentrate? Art can teach you that. Learn how to decode complicated things, break them down into simplest forms, and then build them back up again. Art can teach you that. I'm Deborah Chapin, a longtime professional artist who's lectured at the Smithsonian American Art Museum. I've put together a series of videos to start your children off in art, in particular drawing. The goal isn't to make everyone into artists, but to learn the skills that art teaches.